MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka Jinghap ban mi no jong ka sister Terrina Menezes kum ka headmistress ka Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri ka Baderu ka Riuniam ka Bala Syakri siteng na ka jingim ka jongka ya kam Syakri ublei nalor ban kentiu ya ka puli ka puthi mentas ngi kala penjau mat ya kikmi kikpa kikna school barem barwat ikino hikai ha ka jingkren ba syok mencem jongka ka badei ha ka jingalang le Burom khaddu bala pelong de keyboard penyek school jongka Little Flower Past People Association jongka tega school kumban penken mau ka sister Terrina Menezes kalawan poi haus nem khat khnai spa khnai pesan makala shim ya ka banta kum ka Riuniam bat kano hikai hadu lai postnem berkalabat ya kerdan headmistress ka Little Flower High Secondary School Maubri hadu kat prasnem EA berkabala syakri shithem kum kariuniam hakam jong umblei banakadau ke jinghap ban songthat no sipor ban lek cak sumar la pelong ke jing lek Burom kabala penjau Ummat lut ya barok ki bala simenta te ke jinglang habala kertiang denru i ki jing syakri bar ki senyang ki benhei makala senyang hakam jong umblei baru hakam ban kentiu ya ka pule ke puthi ya ka jing pukup Burom nelek Burom khadu ya ka sister Terrina la pelong haka hall jongka Little Flower High Secondary School Maubri haka arpulai terik ujemang haka bala sakilang daga jingedon lang uparis pris ke Maubri Paris ufadar Palestine Marbanyang ufada Sherman Khongshei ki sister kinohikai ki kena school bagi kena school barem jongka tiga school kiwig baladon lang haka nega sengi ki kentup UMDC ke Umroy uba Isnei Hing u Dr. Everest Mersing State General Secretary ke BJP Meghalaya bar kentup kiwig kum gajing sorong haka jing syakri ke balai post nem ka sister Terrina kum ka headmistress ne kano hikai labun ba kiru kraw bar kiru sempang bakala penmi lengba ka school jongka Little Flower High Secondary School Maubri
Lasai lasisni tangan klimat ke banwan lasai ro ngimtip dane tam suyai nang neru yo ngiyam no ngimtip. Therefore life is a gift from God that comes only once. Live it to its fullest and also with full aesthetical sense of living and fulfillment, and always be happy. Dei kata kabang idon kame aga jingim jingi aga jing yayan pi jingi kum ki kena school kum ki nongi kai kum ki beri ki bakit ya ki imlang kasalang but tidak kerde. Sister, I have nothing to say, but this morning when I woke up from my sleep, I have said a prayer. I know that I won't be able to reach on time due to much traffic in Shillong, but then I have prayed. Be steadfast, do not be afraid. God is blessing you much more with your services in the Little Flower Higher Secondary School. We hope to see many big officers will come up in the near future. Mencuri people kena berobat, kuat cilok IAS, IPS, IFS dan di sekolah kini. Ngadang dengan kuat belakang IP, kuat riban yelong noi kai beji cerita. Ko arnaban yalong itam kinong yalam ki barit ki baria andre ide belong ki nong sandur ya kalau wai jo ki kun ki kiti jogi
house lem mga shop class 8 hane po Maubri baro system naftip ay kren kumlo kalong number 1 na school kabana stong bungta hak school Maubri kila ki sister ki father ko mau father Paulus Kemau Star Gladys, Star Ani, Star Terrina Menezes, kia keren tin English. Ngam danang ngam das turban naman iwan nak school stop. Bukta hak berkup tu muslim. Apa kali kamu berpulang? Kabar hadin ke exam ngam shemla ia kena exam masuk biang nanam pas. Hadai walakatan nanduandin. Abu kecing dua yang play ngam atrai. Yarap yang ay kaban pinpas yang ada di kelas 8 nama don shibun ki palok tuna do news ba sewin ban jom mobile dirisia kiwe ki palok ki pengi yang ora kine poi kelas 9 na ansom haga ju kelas ada susi thane shikare ada dua ini ka donot ban ka bensin gitu anway kai kita kampula hakaski ka bai padar pedian assembly ya ka ban ay riso hadin melapet bagi parok-parok liapas masuk hubungan masa fail ada yang ada kejingan ke baskem mau play pun minor hak ada result hadin mengelapit progress report tidak tahu baru subjek ayo hadin hatrai lasut ho kumne bude promoted for your good behavior lasut ke kelas ke mentang dari jinglang korhan kita kilo ikan pula di jombre. Bakmu ngelarai, baru setelah abang mga fail, tanga fail niya kanina class 8 menta, ako bang ano ng school show kanya kalino. Henry dagajing keresan jog itong higay, principal ng school, but naglembag jing pasyaw ko jog play. Kila penpas, kila pen jubor nga hang class 9, kumta malawat tulong bumi ko mamalong.
After spending here 3 years, I was appointed to go to another school in Badrapur, that is in 2024. Oh, sorry, 2004. Okay, 2004. So I stayed there for 3 years in Badrapur school, and I had gone for a retreat, and my provincial superior told me I need to go immediately to Mabri school. So I asked them, for the third time you are sending me there? They said yes. The need is very great. I think you can put right the situations, because that time there was so much of problem going on here. And then they said me, I couldn't sleep for 2-3 days, 2-3 nights. I was frightened, but when I came here, I had a grand welcome by all the teachers and also by parish priest and others. And that way I was getting adjusted, and gradually I forgot all the fear, everything. I saw that my staff and students all were collaborative. Everything was going on well. That's why I said the compassion of God was upon me. When there was wind and storm in this area, I was brought here. And God helped me to bring peacefulness in this place. So I really remain grateful to God for all His blessings. And later on, I am continuing here for the past 18 years. I enjoyed my stay here, not so much as a headmistress, for telling the truth. Today if I see the past people here, they are not when I was a headmistress. These are all my students when I was teaching them. That shows when we are in authority, most of the time people will run away far because we cannot help it. It is automatic.
MeghalayaPost.news